Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are making chocolate brownies, the brownies without oven. For this we have to take a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of sugar and ghee and then beat it until the sugar get melts. Now add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and then mix it again. Now gradually add 1 cup of maida and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to the mixture. Don't forget to add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of milk powder as well. Mix until the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. Now add 1 cup of water to the batter and whisk it until you achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder to complete the batter. Now take a non-stick pan and grease it with ghee and pour the batter into it. Tap the pan on the floor gently to remove any air bubbles. Now place the grease pan on a preheated tawa, then cover it with a towel and set the flame to medium to low and let it cook for 20 minutes. Your brownies are almost ready. Now brush your brownies with sugar syrup. Now let the brownies to get cool down and then cut them into small pieces. And your brownies are ready to eat. Enjoy with your friends and family or enjoy these brownies in your tea time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.